In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome Untitled blank page. If Chrome is opening to a plain white window that says Untitled, or loads an About blank page and won't go anywhere, don't worry. This usually comes down to a few simple settings or a misbehaving add-on. We'll start with quick fixes and move to more advanced solutions only if you need them. First, give your computer a full restart. A complete reboot clears out stuck background processes and frees up memory that can keep Chrome from rendering pages properly. After the restart, open Chrome again and see if the blank page issue is gone. Next, clear your cache and cookies. In Chrome, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then clear browsing data. Choose All Time for the time range so you're removing everything. Check cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and confirm. This resets stale site data and corrupted cache entries that often lead to a blank screen. Keep in mind, you may need to sign back in to sites afterward. Now check how Chrome starts up. In Settings, open on Startup. Make sure it's set to open the new tab page, or choose a specific page you trust. If you see About blank listed anywhere, remove it. About blank is a real placeholder page, but if it's set as your startup target, Chrome will keep opening to a blank tab. If the issue persists, move to Extensions. In the address bar, type Chrome, Extensions, and press Enter. Toggle all extensions off to disable them. Then relaunch Chrome. If it opens normally, turn your extensions back on one by one, testing Chrome after each switch. When the blank page returns, the last extension you re-enabled is likely the culprit. Leave it off or remove it, and consider finding an updated or alternative extension. If you still need help, reset Chrome's settings. In Settings, open Reset Settings, then choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This returns your startup page, search engine, new tab, and content permissions to the defaults and disables all extensions, but it doesn't delete your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. It's a clean slate for the browser's configuration. As a final step, reinstall Chrome. Uninstall it from your computer, then download a fresh copy from the official Chrome website and install it. If you use Sync, sign back in to restore your bookmarks and settings. By working through these fixes, from a reboot and clearing data, to extension checks, a reset, and finally, a reinstall, you should be able to eliminate the Untitled blank page for good. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting Chrome back to normal.